Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We're at Walmart here. We got a few new arrival here at Walmart. We got the new Jurassic World Tylosaurus here. Ultimate damage Tylosaurus here. It is $42.94 here at Walmart here. There's the ultimate damage on the side. Here's the Tylosaurus. Is similar to the Mosasaurus, the biting black Mosasaurus, still $44.97 here. And you can see by size wise, it's similar here. For size wise, just the color is different. This is more realistic color with the spots and the dark, kind of like a whale-like type on this reddish. I wish the reddish type on this color scheme, and the black. I like the eyes feature, but I don't know about the reddish type. And here's the tail, got the red and white. I wish there was more of the beige on here, more beige, and maybe some red stripe better. But this is the Tylosaurus here. This is what it looked like on the back. It's chomp. Big mouth here. They got 3 levels of damage on there. See it right there. And they don't forget the scan to unlock here on these two. It's on the one of the, see the left side of the dorsal fin here. Okay, so here's, that's 1. That's 2 sound. And that's a 3rd sound. There's also a button on top here, so it'll go up and it makes a sound too. So this Tylosaurus is $42.94, and I don't know why this Bite and Blast is still $44.97. And this make no sound, so that is not good. So this Tylosaurus, $42.94, Jurassic World Ultimate Damage Tylosaurus here. These are hardened plastic articulation on all the dorsal fins here. Everything here is hardened plastic. Here's the close-up view of the mouth. The teeth is soft to the touch. Here, the tongue got good feature here, and here's the eye feature, which is pretty good on the color scheme. Here's what it look like right here. Compare it to this mouth here. Let me see which one is. So this one's a little bit bigger on the Mosasaurus compared to the Tylosaurus here. So Bite and Blast Mosasaurus is a little bit bigger, and this one arched too. So. But this is more this is a little bit lower price, so it's $2 cheaper on this one. So they also have another Mosasaurus, Jurassic World Rebirth here. This is the Mosasaurus Encounter remote control here. This is at Walmart. First time I see this here, Jurassic World remote control Mosasaurus. There it looked like, and it will squirt water out here. And it looked like his facial. There is his facial feature. This is a good color scheme here, black and the green here. And there's the remote control. This is only $24.94 here at Walmart here. $24.94 for the Mosasaurus Encounter remote control here. What it look like on the back, there's a turbo swim mode for the attack. A whiplash swing tail, so the tail will swing too, doing a multi-fold, and they got like the LED lights on top too. So, and it will squirt out water too, so it shoots water. So this is a pretty good water feature remote control Mosasaurus here, and this is really light. So, like I said, you want to see the. That would look like on the face of it and the hand. See the leg, these will swing out. You can see the grooves on there. So this will swing on here. So this is a must buy for all you Jurassic World Rebirth here. $24.94 is a reasonable price. Like I said, it got turbo swing mode and a whiplash swing tail on here. And it also shoots water. There you go. It shoots the water. There you go. See it? It shoots the water from its mouth. So that's 3 good feature here and a reasonable price, $24.94. And the most exciting thing, we finally got the Hammond collection Scorpios Rex here. It's finally here. It's also $42.94 here at Walmart. This is the first time I see Walmart sells the Jurassic World Hammond collection. It's always at Target. I never seen Walmart sell the Hammond collection, so this is a special occasion. The Scorpios Rex last month was Dominic's Rex came out. Now the Scorpios Rex is here. Hammond collection Scorpios Rex. Look at that, how that's pretty cool. In the side box, there it is. As the rain poured down, the Scorpios Rex find the campers in the hideout. So it's hide and seek, designed to sort and drawn away to something more enticing. Look at that. That is one of my favorite hybrid is the Scorpios Rex here. It's probably one of the best they made, even though it's not a real dinosaur, but it's a good hybrid. Scorpios Rex and Dominus Rex is probably one of the 2 top hybrid they made. Scorpios Rex, there it goes. Hammond collection is from Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous here. Okay, the Netflix Camp Cretaceous Jurassic World Scorpios Rex, $42.94 here at Walmart. First time I see this here. Look at that detail on this. There you go. Look at that eye, nice and red. Mouth, teeth, tongue. They got 2 posable claw. See it? They got a short one and a longer version. So which one you like? And there's the tail. You can see the tail right there. And look at this. This should be a poster right here on the Scorpios Rex here. So it's $42.99. So we got 3. Don't forget they got some of these older models like the Tylosaurus here, still $29.97 here. The ultimate damage one. Okay. So this is only $29.97, and this Tylosaurus is $42.94. And this is the first time I see Walmart has the whole set of Jurassic World Survival here. Wild World set. This is $1 cheaper than Walmart. This is $1 cheaper than Target. I'm at Walmart. So Walmart's at $18.97. Target sell $19.99. So it's $1 cheaper here. So I'll buy it at Walmart unless Target got the 20% off sale. So first time I see the whole set here. Jurassic World Wild World, my favorite set. Wild World here. The METRIACANTHOSAURus, TRICERATOPS. My favorite is the CRYOLOPHOSAURus. The Ford is my number 1, and my second favorite is, of course, the STOMATOSUCHUS here. It's my second favorite. That's my first here, Tylosaurus. And my third is METRIACANTHOSAURus. And my last is TRICERATOPS. I don't like the LED light on here. I wish it was more like on the head feature or the body more. But I still like the LED. So, like I said, each of these are $18.97 here. They still got the Colossal Chomp here. Giganotosaurus, of course, is still $49.97. Bite and Blast Mosasaurus is still $44.97, and the Tylosaurus Rex is still $59. I'm waiting for this to be on sale. This should be half price. Should be $30. And they still have Armosaurus here. We got Ajax, of course. It's $44.97. And we also have Cobalt. So we got Cobalt and we got Ajax here. Ajax and Cobalt. They're both $44.97 each. And we got the last one, we got Blaze. There's no sound feature on Blaze. It's only $29.97 here. And they got these miniature one too. They're $16.92 each. You got Blaze, you got Ajax, and let me see, I don't see Cobalt here. And they also got the figures here too. They're $9.94. So let's recap here. The new Jurassic World Tylosaurus here. Mosasaurus Encounter remote controls, $24.94, and the Jurassic World Scorpios Rex here is $42.94. Forgot to show you, they also have the Jurassic World Motodon here, still here. It's $22.97, and they got these eggs too. So these Jurassic World Captic egg, I forgot, these are new too. See it? So these are the toxic dose. Radioactive gel quicksand. Here's a Dominus Rex, T-Rex here. These are $11.97 here. So it comes with one figure, mystery figure. It also comes with a collectible card. It comes with a toxic slime, radioactive gel slime sticker, and a mutant quicksand here. Mutant quicksand, sorry about that pronunciation, and a collector's guide here. So there's a Dominus Rex, there's a D-Rex, and the Dilophosaurus. So I don't see the T-Rex here. So these are $11.97 here each. And don't forget, they got these Jurassic World eggs too. The small one is only $2.97 here. There's a Mosasaurus, of course, with a Dominus Rex here. These are, let me see, that's what comes in one of the eggs. I think the Dominus Rex here. Oh yeah, here it is. Here's all the figures that comes in here. So there's Mosasaurus, a Dominus Rex, Mosasaurus again, another Dominus Rex. So it's usually Mosasaurus and Dominus Rex, one is two. You got Parasaurolophus here, and the Jurassic World Gate, Gyrosphere, Jeep. We all got the Bronchosaurus here, Triceratops, Velociraptor, Ankylosaurus, and Bronchosaurus. So those are all the figures you can collect here. They're $2.97 each. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.